Assalamualaikum. Hopefully you are doing great and having an amazing day or night wherever you are in the world. जैसे कि आपने YouTube thumbnail के through देख लिया होगा that currently in the video we are in Amanah shopping mall based up in Lahore Model Town Link Road. Actually, I have been to this mall a couple of times earlier as well, but इत्तेफाक से यासिर साहब का visit यहाँ नहीं हो सका. So we were passing by the area, so we thought that why not we just hang around here for a couple of hours. We stayed here for like 2 or 2.5 hours. We strolled around, and of course, जब आप shopping mall में हो तो you end up buying a lot of stuff, which we kind of did. And अगर आप काफ़ी सारे brands पे देखें, so as usual, there is a big trend of different type of sales that are going every now and then. Kabhi they have sales for Eid, they have sales for Independence Day, या मुख्तलिफ sales on and off लगती रहती हैं. And when we saw a sale going on engine, we just straight up went in for that. Or I used to call it like engine. I'm not sure exactly how is it pronounced. So if you would like to guide me, please comments में बताइए कि आप उसको किस तरह pronounce करते हैं. लेकिन यासिर साहब said that it's just like engine, the way the car engine is. So I don't know which one exactly it is. And the sale was pretty decent here. I don't consider it's as good as the regular clothing line because of course, they just want to get rid of the old line they have released. And I really like this yellow one, and I really wanted him to buy this, but again he went back to this neutral sage green, which obviously looks great on him, but I thought that he could just go with something more of a poppy color. And the person here, I don't know his name, but was very helpful and kind enough to guide us through the collection. And honestly, inki perfume selection achhi hai. And not this one, this is the aqua one. I believe the Enigma one was pretty great and great smelling, and it stayed on me for like 2 to 3 hours. I just made a quick spritz. और अभी आपने Chilton Pure का stall देखा है. They're really hyping up their 1000 perfume line, and I'm really planning to buy on those. But देखें कब हम खरीदते हैं. And popping up on my right, I see a couple of pumps here. I actually own the mustard ones that just passed by, the exact same. But I got it a gift from my in-laws because they know I love wedges and different soles and nice shoes. Though these were quite cheaper, I believe, in comparison to the mall prices. Like, that's even fair enough because they have to pay rentals, they just have to bear a lot of expense in order to earn something on top of it. तो हमें understand करना चाहिए, which normally people don't do that much. It's a good pleasure though, just strolling around here and there. Yeah, we'll end up shopping a little bit, just like they did right now. अच्छा अगर देखा जाए ना तो there is not a lot of crowd in the mall at the moment. It's not as rushy as you would see Emporium or Packages. But I think that's a good sign. At least you have a little space. Or space se yaad aaya, it's not that spacious though. But I think they have quite a bit of brands or takriban sab pe hi sales teams, so it was a good option to come here. So I caught up with ideas and I really thought of buying something really quick for my mom as a little surprise for her. And we ended up buying a two-piece pink floral dress. I'm not sure, I added that on the clip or not, but it costed me somewhere around 27.90, and which means कि आप जो है वो unstitched यहाँ पे average sale पे 2800 3000 तक जो है आप ले सकते हैं. That's two piece. And that was not dupatta, it was trouser, kapra, and the shirt one, which was a good option. And I wasn't hungry at all, but whenever I see corn, I think it's always good to give it a try because har ek ka flavor bahut zabardast nahi hota. But this one was a good one because it was spicy tha, so I liked it. Also, you need to buy it with cash. तो कुछ stalls और चीज़ों पे you always need to keep a little bit cash with you. Probably this is like the third floor. I do not know, but यहाँ पे काफ़ी चीज़ें बंद थी. But I saw the Manisa store closed too. I found We Are Bears and the amazing legendary Doraemon. Which are your favorite characters? Cartoons में या plush toys में? Share with me. Okay, this is something really exciting that I found, but they were rude enough not to let me film at all. This is actually the really popular dollar store, or we actually ended up buying tons of stuff from here. Probably it's a little crowded, so they don't want people to film in there. But the products were really good. So मैं तो चाहती थी कि मैं आप लोगों को एक run around दूँ. क्या है? They have like different candles, scents, cups. They did have a fair enough collection for stationery. But I think that they had an amazing collection for makeup and cosmetics. They had some good skincare stuff. So I didn't film that, unfortunately. And the Carrefour people were extremely rude as well. They didn't let me film here and asked to stop the vlogging. So that's about it. So thank you so much for watching and hope you have a lovely day ahead.